You know, some of the lecturers in the universities, they are fond of being a problem to their students. I found a proverb very useful for that situation. Some of them will tell the students, except I'm not in this school again. If I'm still in this school, you won't pass. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ń dẹ́sà òkété, Ọlọ́run lókè ń dẹ́sà dí òun náà. Ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ń dẹ́sà òkété, Ọlọ́run lókè ó ń dẹ́sà dí òun náà. Meaning, someone who bent down and is digging the hole of a rat, trying to kill a rat, he has forgotten that God in heaven as well is digging the hole. And one day, will kill him as well eventually. Torí pé ẹnìkan ò láyé, àràgbé, a ò lè lólé ayé gbé. Which place are you where you are powerful? Be considerate, be careful of using power anyhow. Because God in heaven is more powerful than you, and one day, He will use His power on you. Mr. Lecturer, stop pursuing these girls around. Stop trolling their lives. Stop telling a student that except he gives you bribe or he honors you one way or the other, he will never leave that school. Remember, it is because you are alive. That is why you are in that school. If God take your life, what will you do? Be considerate, because God Himself is considerate upon you. Ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ń dẹ́sà òkété, kó rántí pé Ọlọ́run lókè ń dẹ́sà dí òun náà o. Ẹnìkan ò láyé gbé.